What's good, YouTube? Good morning to everybody, man. Y'all know what's going on, man. Here's your boy Trey Master, man. Back with a video, you know what I mean? So, hey, man, hey. New Year's about to be here, man. 2025 almost be here, man, you feel me? So, okay, I'm ready for New Year, man, you know what I mean? So we can go ahead and lock in, man, you feel me? So, but anyway, man, if y'all new, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn your notifications on, you know what I mean? And make sure y'all follow all of my socials at the top, at the plaques at the top, you feel me? And so, man, the morning video, man, we react to my boy D the Mad for Dallas, Texas, I think, you know what I mean? Like, you know, if y'all not familiar with half of y'all do know him, half of y'all don't. So, he is from Texas, you know what I'm saying? So, and we free react to his video sneezing on people, prank, you know what I'm saying? So, me personally though, if you sneeze on me though, I'm just gonna beat you. Like, I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't play that sneezing on people type stuff. You know what I'm saying? As long as you ain't sneezing on me, that's all that matter. You know what I'm saying? So, anyway, if we react to it, let's get into it, bro. No talk.
Bro, what the fuck wrong with you?
You alright, punk ass?
Punk ass.
Oh, my bad, man. Oh, my. Oh, well, chill. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy D the Mac, and today I'm gonna be face sneezing on people. Basically, when you're shopping, I'm gonna spray this on your neck or your face. So, if you new, like, comment, subscribe, and also follow my Instagram. If y'all wanna see me do any pranks, DM me. Know what I'm saying? And let's get turned up. Peace.
Damn, bitch, I nigga that sneeze on me, bro.
My bad, punk ass. You alright? Bro, chill out, bro. Chill out, chill. What you gonna do, clown? Excuse me, man.
Cannot fucking go.
Shit. My bad, man. I just sneezed.
No.
My bad.
It's a camera around you to
No,
sneeze.
no,
All
man.
that shit on my back.
My bad, man. I just sneezed. Y'all remember? Who get it from? Excuse me, man. It was a joke. Look,
No, you better have some sprayers.
yeah, look. Listen, water, it's water.
Bro, because why the fuck that shit came out on me like that?
No, I just. My bad, punk ass, you alright? My bad, bro, I sneeze.
Yeah, you good?
Yeah, my bad, bro.
Yeah.
You alright, clown?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Yeah, you good. My bad, clown. Bitch, you got me a B word?
Yes, did you fucking just sneeze on me? That shit not funny. Did you just sneeze on me?
It don't matter.
No, it don't matter.
I got the flu. It don't.
I don't get, you don't come to no store with no flu.
My bad, man.
No, why you don't sneeze on nobody that's nasty?
You alright, clown? You alright, clown?
Is you alright?
Yeah.
Is you alright, bitch?
Alright. Shit. My bad, bro.
Bro, you did that on purpose.
No, I didn't, clown. You alright, punk ass?
Pound you, bro. You sneeze on me.
Oh, shit. She even sweet.
I would beat you. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Oh, shit.
I did that because I been saying stuff
I said, oh, shit. Chill. Oh my God. Look. Oh, chill. Look. It's a joke. Please, chill. Look, chill. Look, bro. God damn. Shit.
That's crazy.
Shit. My bad, bro. I sneezed on you. My bad, bro.
What's wrong with you, man?
You alright, clown?
Huh?
You alright, clown? You alright, punk ass?
Huh?
You alright, punk ass?
What is this, a skit?
Yeah, man, yeah. Damn. Damn, man. Damn, why you leave? I tried to prank you. Fuck. Basically, like, I was gonna sneeze on you, but dang, you walked away quick. Fuck. Damn. Hey, get that black dude right here. Get that black dude. Go straight. Yeah, here, get him. Shit, bro. My bad, bro. You alright?
How you roll?
You alright, punk ass?
Huh?
You alright, punk ass?
What you saw me, my nigga?
You alright, punk ass?
My nigga, you sneaked
My
on me.
bad, bro.
I'm gonna find out what that shit all about,
My
bro.
bad, clown.
What?
My bad, clown. You alright? Shit, I had to sneeze, bro.
What?
I had to sneeze, bro.
Alright, yeah, do that shit again. You know what
Excuse me, bro. Shit. My bad, bro. I shouldn't have. My bad, bro.
I'm going through the same.
My bad, shit, bro. Did it hurt, bro?
Huh?
Did I touch your neck or something, clown?
What?
Did I hit your neck, clown? Nah, did you? Okay. Shit. Oh, my bad, man. Oh, shit. My bad. Oh, shit. No, I didn't. It was an accident, man.
Fuck that shit. Don't
It was
spit
an
on
accident,
your
man.
head. Don't let this shirt fool you, boo.
It was an accident, man.
I'ma accident your ass.
Man, that's a saw you hit me. That's an accident. You know that, right? That's a saw you hit me.
You spit on me. You could have
No, I didn't.
I don't know what the fuck you got.
But it's an accident, though. You hit me, man. You gonna hit me, man?
That way. You came this way. Fuck you.
Man, you can hit me like that. I don't call the police on your ass, man. Hell, you don't call law on that ass, bro. She my nose, bro. Black girl hit my nose. This shit, bro. What the fuck? Shit. My bad. I'm sorry. My bad, sir. You alright? You alright, clown?
Yeah, good.
Okay. I'm sorry. You sure, punk ass?
I'm sorry?
You sure, punk ass? You alright?
Yeah.
Okay. Shit.
He said, nigga, you sneezing on me? What you doing?
Chill.
What you doing? What you sneezing on me? What's going on?
Bro, your ass sound like you about to cry, bro.
What's going on, bro? You sneezing on me? What's up? What is this, bro? Is this a game or something? What's going on?
All right, bro. It's a joke.
Man, no,
That's a
you're,
joke.
man. Oh, somebody's gonna sneeze.
My bad, clown. You alright, clown?
You just sneezed on me, dog?
You alright, punk ass?
Punk ass.
Yes, punky. You alright,
Who the
bro?
fuck you talking to?
You, bro.
Me.
Yes, bro.
Boy, you don't even know me, boy.
Bro, what you gonna do, bro? What you gonna do, bro?
You just sneezed on me.
What you gonna do, bro?
Chill.
But I got the flu, bro.
What you wanna do?
Him,
I don't
chill.
give a damn about
Chill,
none of that
chill,
sneezing
chill,
shit, bro.
chill.
Bro,
I don't care about none of
Bro.
that sneezing shit, bro.
Bro, it's a joke, punk
I
ass.
don't give a fuck, nigga. It's too much shit going on. You sneezing on me, fam.
Chill.
What's wrong with you?
Chill.
Bro, let him go.
Fuck that shit, bro. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit. Nigga just sneeze on me.
Bro, you mad cause
Just going on about your business, dog.
but you got a flu, bro?
Just going on about.
Bro,
I
get
give a
your,
damn about the damn flu. Nigga don't sneeze on me, bro.
what you gonna do, clown?
Chill. You need to go on.
What you wanna do?
Go on.
What you wanna do?
Go on.
What you wanna do?
Bro, it's a joke, bro. Excuse me, bro. Shit, bro.
Why the fuck you do that, man?
My bad, bro. You alright, bro? You alright, clown?
Oh, boy.
You said what, bro? I had to sneeze, bro. My bad, bro.
Same thing when you sneeze on me.
You said what, punk ass? Bro, I'm serious, bro. I just sneezed. My fault, bro. All right, bro. Excuse me, sir. It was a joke. It was just,
I know it was.
it was just water.
I know it was because of
kept saying, man, I know what I'm like, all right, he courting because he set me up. I'm like, all right, just go, man. Bro, what the fuck your problem is?
My bad, clown. You alright?
Dog, you just sneeze on my neck?
Hell yeah, bro. You alright, punk ass?
You say what?
I said, you alright, punk ass?
You say what?
I said, you alright, punk
You
ass?
say what?
You alright, punk
You
ass?
say what?
Bro, chill.
You sneeze on my neck.
Bro, it
like
don't
a
matter, bro.
motherfucker.
Bro, chill, bro. Chill.
Dog, you
Look, chill, bro, chill. God damn. You too damn buff for that shit, man. What the hell?
You played hard today.
Damn, I'm trying to prank you. Fuck, bro, why you move? Damn. I'm trying to get you, damn. Nah, I'm trying to sneeze on you like, chill. But you move. Fuck. Excuse me, bro.
Oh, no, you good, bro.
Oh, my bad. I'm trying to get past you. My bad, man. Shit, bro.
Oh, no, you good.
Damn, why you keep moving, bro?
What's up,
I'm trying to prank your ass, man.
Nah,
You keep moving, man.
I feel this shit.
Shit.
Bro, what the fuck you got going on, fam?
You alright, punk ass?
Damn, my nigga, you just gonna spill
Well, chill.
But anyway, man, that's it for the video, man. You know what I mean? So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Make sure you enjoy the video. You know what I'm saying? So I love y'all, man. See y'all for sure.